Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi A3 Sportback S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a petrol engine with 150 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A3 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. From here, you can also choose from multiple headlight displays and animations. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless phone charging pad with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.